Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Before I share today's recipe, I would like to mention that from today for 1 week, every day I'll be sharing one recipe and the key ingredient will be oats. I have included all instant, healthy, low fat and low sugar based recipes. So thought, let's start with a sweet recipe today and we are going to prepare baked oats with strawberries and banana. So without further delay, let's quickly check out the recipe. Into a large mixing bowl, take 2 cups of oats. I have slightly roasted these oats for about 2 minutes. To this add about 1/4 cup of chopped dark chocolate. Then we'll need about the same quantity of chopped nuts. I have taken walnuts, almonds and raisins here. You can use any of your choice. And about the same quantity of chopped strawberries. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Give everything a quick mix and keep it aside till we prepare the wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, we'll need 3 tablespoons of butter. First, we'll have to melt the butter. Into another bowl, crack 1 egg. To this, add 2 cups of milk. Now add the melted butter to this. Also 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now whisk all the ingredients together. This is ready. I'm just pouring this mixture into the jug so that it will be easy for me to pour in the oat mixture. Now take a baking tray and grease it well with some butter. The tray is ready. Now put the dry ingredients in this tray and level it using the spatula. Now once the oat mixture is leveled and even, pour the wet ingredients carefully into this. This might look like a lot of liquid at the moment, but once they'll bake, the oats will soak a lot of liquid from this. On top of this, sprinkle the leftover chopped chocolates, nuts, strawberries, and finally chop and spread one dried banana on the top. This will go into a preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. It's completely baked and ready now. Slice it and enjoy them hot with some extra strawberries and nuts. Hope you all enjoyed the first recipe from the Oats recipe series. I'll be coming up with some more healthy instant oats recipes in the following days. Before that, give this recipe a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then show some love and subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes. Also, if you don't want to miss any videos I post, then click the bell icon near the subscribe button. Till we meet next with another video, stay healthy and be happy.